In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the PayPal donate button to a Facebook page. This is a great way to facilitate donations and make it easier for your supporters to contribute to your cause. Let's dive in. First, we start by heading over to PayPal's official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in PayPal's URL, which is easily found by searching for PayPal. Once you're there, you'll land on the PayPal homepage where you'll find an option to log in. After clicking on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal account credentials. Make sure to have your login details ready and remember to ensure they are entered correctly to keep your account secure. Once logged in, you may encounter a two-step verification process. PayPal offers an extra layer of security by sending a text message for verification. Here you have the option to receive a text via WhatsApp or through a standard SMS. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions until your account is successfully verified. With the login process complete, you should now be at the PayPal home screen. Here you will need to navigate to the settings. This is typically represented by a small gear icon where you'll find various account management options. Upon accessing the settings menu, look for a section labeled Seller Tools. This is where you can manage your payment processing options, including the setup of buttons for easy transactions. Inside the Seller Tools section, you'll find an option for PayPal buttons. This area is specifically designed to streamline the process of creating and managing payment buttons that can be integrated into various platforms. Next, you'll click on the Make a PayPal button option. This section guides you through creating different types of buttons tailored to your needs. For our purposes, we want to ensure we're selecting the option to create a donate button. Finally, an option will appear allowing you to select the type of button you need. PayPal's interface will guide you through the setup process. They make it intuitive by providing step-by-step instructions, ensuring you choose the correct configuration for a donation button. Once you've set it up, you'll get a piece of code that you'll be able to embed into your Facebook page, or alternatively, you can use the provided link for a more direct approach. And that's it! By following these steps, you should now have a functioning donate button on your Facebook page, ready for your audience to contribute. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.